Hello there, this is Vinny McDonald at Hvac Institute, and today I'm going to be talking about superheat and super cool. Right here I got our gauges, our pressure gauges. That's going to give us a pressure reading of the high and low side. And we're also going to be using our trusty old meter here. That's going to give us a reading of the temperature of our high side and low side lines. This is our temperature pressure chart. This is going to tell us how much of a super high or super heat reading we're going to have. Alright, so I installed the high side, tightened it up, and the low side. And these are all ready to go. And I attached our meter for temperature. You're going to set that to Fahrenheit. And it's reading about 93, 94. And that's without the car on. You're going to tape it close to the old nozzle here so you get a better reading of the temperature. And so if you touch it, if you touch the reading here, you're going to get a false reading of the temperature of the line. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car. Alright, so I'm on the high line, so 94 is going to go up to probably about 111 degrees or so. The truck's going to stay running for a little bit, and you got to make sure your air conditioning is on. Alright, so we're measuring the vapors that go into the condenser through condensation, creates a liquid that flows to the high side, and we're going to get the reading from that. Alright, so we got to check our gauges. Our high side is reading 150, as you can see. And our temperature is 98. That is a big subcool. Alright, so we're at 150 degrees subcool, 150 degrees at pressure, 150 pressure at 150 degrees pressure on our gauge. So we're going to take our temperature, which is at 104, 105, and we're going to show 104. And what is this supposed to be?
You go to the pressure. You go pressure and then over. You
This
go by
is
the
pressure?
You go by the green, the
Okay.
gray is pressure.
Okay.
You go by the 150 in pressure. So
Okay.
about 151 should be at 112 degrees.
So our reading is at 151 degrees, 151 pressure, and at a temperature of 112 degrees. And our temperature reading is 103 degrees, so we have a subcool of 11 degrees, and that is a super cool, and that is a reading of 11 degrees super cool. When we go to read the superheat side, we're going to go ahead and duplicate this with our trusty meter and tape and our temperature reader here, and put it on the side here closest to our nozzle to get a better reading. This is Vinny McDonald at Hvac Institute at Hvac.